Alright guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy here, Boss Lawrence. Okay, and without wasting much time, in today's video I'll be revealing to us a website where you can work from home and get paid as a moderator. Okay, you work for companies and you get paid. And the most interesting part of this job is you can do this from anywhere in the world, anywhere you are in the world. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, the website is eModerators. Yeah, emoderators.com. Now, what is the job of a moderator? Okay, here on the website you write, you reply to messages for companies and they pay you. Okay, now there are companies who need people to attend to their customers and they pay you for that. Okay, and these are some of the features of the website. As you can see, it says here, looking to work from home, eModerators offers you the chance to earn an income from home with the highest rate you can find, up to 24 euro cents per message. Okay, meaning they'll be paying you 24 cents euro per message. Now imagine how many messages you can send in a day. Okay, so you say, what do we offer? Okay, working as a moderator gives you the opportunity to earn from day one. Okay, you can visit the website for yourself and go through it. And here you can see that you can choose your own working hours. Yes, you can choose your working hours. The days will be free. Now, this is to tell you that this working on this website does not stop you from doing your daily jobs. Okay, you can go to work, just work for them at your own convenient time. Okay, now it says you have a competitive salary. Now, competitive salary is like, the more you work, the more they pay you. Whether this is your main job or it's an additional source of income, you will appreciate what we pay. You know, okay, you appreciate that we pay the best rate in the industry and we also pay weekly. It's a freedom of work. You work from wherever you want, either at home or on a Caribbean beach. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. You can even do this on your phone, in as much as your phone has a browser. Okay, it says, what is a progressive pay? It's simple. The more messages you write, the more money you will earn. The average earnings are 350 euro per week. Imagine that. Okay, imagine if this money is, you know, converted into your currency. Okay, just go to the website. How does it work? Okay, you see, and then if you join this website, they provide you with a personal tutor. Yes, you can contact them through their personal Skype or email, to ask them any question. The website is very friendly. The highest payment in the industry. They have a weekly payment bill. Okay, you are able to declare this income to tax authorities if necessary. Okay, now, as you can see, here are some testimonies. Okay, now let me quickly walk you through how to become a member on this website. Okay, click on start today. Okay, this is the application part. Okay, here you apply. Let me use my name. Okay, email, my age. Let me just put a random age. Okay, let me just put 18 because you need to be 18 years old for you to work on the website. As I said, my country, I'm from Nigeria. Okay, I think this is a mistake. They wrote Nigerian instead of a Nigerian. Okay, country of residence. Select your country. I'm from Nigeria. I'll put my country. Select the country where you want to apply. Okay, I want to work in the United States. Okay, let me just use United Kingdom. You can choose any of the country you wish to work. Okay, I'll choose United Kingdom because I know the competition in the United States will be high. Okay, now it says Skype. Okay, about the Skype account I have, but going through that is, it says here availability. Yes, according to your time. What time? When do you think you'll be, mostly be available? Okay, I'll put, if you are working, if you go to work in the morning, you don't have time during the day, you can select night, but choose whichever one suits you because that will determine the kind of jobs they give you. Okay, but I'll select both. I'm always free. Okay, I work from home. I'm an internet marketer and I do online business. So, okay, my work experience. Yeah, okay, I just put a random this thing. I've been working online since 2019. Okay, I've been a freelancer on Fiverr, Fiverr and Upwork. And besides that, okay, I work with Pico workers. We just put your working experience there. Okay, next. Okay, let's go to the next. Oh, it says test explanation. Now we have a test for you to complete which contains 6 questions. This will help us to evaluate if you are suitable for this type of work. Okay, this is your interview now. They want to interview you. Okay, it says top our top tips to complete this: avoid short answers, avoid giving out contacts such as WhatsApp. Okay, okay, click on next. Hello, how are you, judges? Do you fancy a chat? What are you looking for? Okay, I'm looking to work from home. Okay, write at least 60 characters. Okay, something that will earn me some extra bucks. Okay, it says I have a wide number two. I have a wide range of interesting hobbies from cooking to hiking. I would say I am quite an adventurous person, taking calculated risk, and the feel of adrenaline is the only thing that makes me feel alive these days. Haha. I do whatever makes me I do whatever makes time for the odd moments of peace now and then. Tell me about yourself. What are your hobbies? Okay. Same with me. Same here. Just like you, I have a wide range of hobbies too. Okay. From okay, I have a wide range of hobbies too. From reading, okay, from reading to from reading to okay. Okay. What are my hobbies? Okay, from reading to okay. Let me just put something like, what else do you do? Okay, let me pause this. Okay, I've written some things about me. Okay, so now let's click on next. Okay, number three says I've been offline lately due to work issue. That's why I haven't been so able to answer you, baby. How about you leave me your WhatsApp so we don't need to message here anymore? If you don't want to, I'll just give you my Facebook details instead. Okay, I really want to continue. Okay, it's requesting here. They are requesting for your WhatsApp number. Okay, just drop your WhatsApp number. Make sure you fill in the correct details. I'm just doing this just for the sake of this tutorial. But in your case, make sure you put your correct details. Take your time to answer the questions. Okay. Okay, let me click on next. Oh, what is it saying? Oh, I'll give you my Facebook details. I really want to continue. Yeah, what is this thing? It says I've been offline lately due to work issue. That's why I haven't been able to answer you. How about you leave me so we don't need to message you anymore if you don't want to. Okay, let me just +234 +234. Let me see what is going on. Okay, it says at least. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, cool. Just that won't be an issue. Here is my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now remember this is an interview. Okay, they want to test you how you'll be able to attend to customer. Okay, now all your answers here, they are trying to like monitor how you type, your English, how you compose yourself, how you are able to attend to the customers. Okay, let me just put, you can contact me at any time of the day. You can contact me at any time you wish. I am always active on WhatsApp. Okay, remember this is an interview. They really don't need this your answer. They just want to see how you can, okay, attend to their customers. Yes, I like you a lot, not just your physique, but also your personality. I really value people with good principles, and I promise you, it doesn't bother me if you are married with children or not. Okay, I think now would be a good opportunity for us to meet up as friends and grab a coffee. Okay, all right. Let me skip this part. Okay, meet up as here. We can see what do you think. Um, yeah, it's a great. Thanks for your compliments. Thanks for your compliments. I really appreciate. Okay. I like you too. But I am married. But that wouldn't stop us. But that's okay. But that shouldn't stop us from being the best of friends. Now, I've spent your whole life living in this city. I was originally born in Belgium, but my family moved here when I was a child. I studied architecture at the university and I've been working as an architect for the past 10 years. So, why don't you tell me a little more about yourself? Okay, well, I'll be this one. Okay, okay. I'm originally from Nigeria, but I was born and bred here in the United States of America. Okay, I've lived all my life here, though I've been to other countries on visitation. Okay, let's click on next. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you. I've seen your profile and I would like to spend the night with you. I am looking for sex with someone who can be discreet. I'm a very good lover and I will always attend to my partner's needs before my own. What can I offer? Your total freedom, respect, and a lot of passion. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. Trust me, you won't regret a thing. Okay, like I told you, I am married and I wouldn't want to cheat on my wife. Not for now, but okay, not for now. Meanwhile, we can still be the best of friends. All these people, okay, yeah, okay. I'll click on I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. Okay, I've been verified. I'm not a robot. Send. This is the last part of the interview. Okay, let's wait for it to send. Okay, successfully sent. It says success. Ichebi Lawrence, your application has been received. At the moment, we are currently having 2 vacancies available. If the quality and content of your test is exceptionally good, we will contact you as soon as possible. Okay, now I've just applied for job. Okay, they'll get back to me. All right, just make sure your details are correct. Now, from the way I answered the questions in this video, it's just for tutorial sake. Okay, I just want to show you how this is done. Okay, but in your case, take your time to take your time to answer the questions. Okay, this is an interview. Those questions, you know, is an interview process. So guys, always check your email from time to time to hear from them. Okay, they will reply you in your email. So guys, that is all about this website. When you are approved, they'll send you, they'll give you your working tools, everything you need to work with them. They'll give you your accounts and all of that. And you know so that's that. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are not subscribed, to my channel yet, please subscribe. Share this video, comment, tell me what you feel about my channel. Okay, just feel free, tell me what you feel in the comment section. Share this video, subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I post any video like this, you will be notified. Please support me, support my channel. Thanks.